Freestyle ukulele harmonized scale using the major 1, 4, and 5 voice leading. This is the Griggs type harmonization from Hear and Play. All right. So we know our C major scale is C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. We went over how to harmonize it. Basic rules for this type of harmonization. There's many type of harmonizations, right? Melody note's on top. Scale note is on top, your highest voice. So if your chord is F, A, C, and your melody goes da 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 da, and it ends on A, okay, you want to make this chord so this is on the top. So that would be C, F, A. And coincidentally, the second note on top is also called the second inversion. How wonderful. So now, keeping these two rules in mind, and use the 1, 4, and 5 chords. So for C, the 1 is C, the 1 is C, 4 is F, 5 is G. So you're just using the C major, F major, and G major. That's all you're going to use. And you're going to put the scale notes in on the top, okay? So we'll have first inversion, second inversion C, and root F. So you have two chords for this one, right? Then you have G, and then this is the second inversion C chord. This is your first inversion F chord. And this is, you have two. This is your first inversion G chord, and then your root inversion C chord. These are just the 1, 4, and the 5, right? Just using C chord, F chord, G chord. And then for the A, you see how we're following the scale? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, like that. Okay? So we go up. So this is a lot of stuff to remember, right? You can chart this out like I did over here. Just pause it. Okay? Or you can remember chain gang, right? You can chain the chords. So 4 is F, F, A, C, 1 is C, C, E, G, 5 is G, G, B, D. So put them in one big like chain, and then know that if it's already on top, just leave it. That's the root inversion. If you want the first note on top, like this C chord, you would use the first inversion. Okay, first inversion 3, 5, 1. Root is just the 1, 3, 5. If you know your intervals, these patterns, they'll just pop out. You can figure them out. And then your second inversion, second note on top, would be like if you want the B on top, right? GBD. So this would be 5, 1, 3 for the second note on top. Second inversion of the 5 chord, okay? In the end, if you're just a pattern person, if all of this went over your head, you just have these 3 shapes. And then when you play your scale, each note, you're gonna have to match it with one of these 3 shapes, right? Okay, I should have pushed the back button. So just pause it. I'll remake this. Time's up. I'll see you later, and I'll have another maybe supplementary thing where I kind of play it out and just show you some sounds and everything. Okay, that's it for harmonization. A lot of harmonization, Stevie Wonder harmonization. Go to Jazz Duets if you can Google that. There, we're done. Thanks a lot. Enjoy and subscribe.